Hello. Today we're going to look at keyboard shortcuts, or we're going to start to at least. I'm going to show you how to do some of the application type things with your keyboard shortcuts, how to open an email, how to start a new email, and doing all of this without having to use your mouse. Tomorrow I'll talk a little bit more about how to move your emails around and organize your inbox using just your keyboard as well. But before we get started, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have keyboard shortcuts turned on. To do that, click on Settings and make sure that keyboard shortcuts is on. If it isn't, make sure you turn that on and scroll down and hit Save. After you do save that, you may need to refresh your screen before your keyboard shortcuts will work. But now that they do work, moving around is real easy. The first keyboard shortcut that you need to know about is the question mark. When you press the question mark, you get a list of all of the keyboard shortcuts. So if you forget what a keystroke was to do what you want to do, just hit the question mark and this will pop up and give you a cheat sheet. The next one that I want to show you is to jump to search. Let's say that you normally what you would do is you'd move your mouse up here and click in this search box. But instead of doing that, you can just hit the right slash key, which is right on the question mark, just without the shift key. You hit that button, you jump up to the search bar, and just type in what you want. And it'll run that search for you. The next keyboard shortcut that you'll want to know about is if you use the chat option inside of Gmail, all you have to do is press the letter Q and you jump right to the chat screen. So you can start typing in chats and who you want to chat with. The next keyboard shortcut that is very helpful is if you want to start a new email. In Gmail, they call it compose a message. So all you do is hit C for compose, and you start a brand new email. If you hold down the Shift key and press C at the same time, it lets you compose a new email within a new window. So that way you don't have to close what you were working on before. You can just start a new window and start a new email there. The other thing that's important to pay attention to when you're using keyboard shortcuts is this little triangle right here to the left of the email or conversation. That triangle tells you what message is which conversation is currently selected. You can move that triangle with the letters J and K. When I press J, notice how the triangle moves down. When I press K, the triangle moves back up. So that's how you move around. Once you get that triangle on a message that you want to open, just hit enter and it'll open the email for you. And from here, if you want to get back to your inbox, all you have to do is press the letter U and it takes you back to your previous list. So those are the keyboard shortcuts that I wanted to teach you about today. They are listed in my blog if you're more interested at principalfuller.com, and I hope that helps. Thanks.